Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. If your kids are craving for some snacks and want to make some easy snacks without any effort of rolling and kneading, try this tasty, crispy and crunchy pasta KurKure, which can be prepared very easily in no time. Start the procedure. First take 2 cups of water and bring to boil. Add teaspoon oil and half a teaspoon of salt. Water starts boiling, add 1 cup of pasta. You can take any kind of pasta. You can also opt for wheat pasta as it is more healthier. Cook till pasta is almost 80% cooked. Strain the cooked pasta using colander. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Toss the pasta well with the added rice flour and corn flour mixture. Entire pasta should be coated well with the added flours. If needed, add little more flour and adjust the quantity accordingly. After pasta is coated well, sieve the extra flour using the sieve. Heat the oil in a wok. Once the oil is heated, set it to medium flame. Deep fry the pasta until it turns light golden brown color. Transfer all the fried pasta to a vessel. This fried pasta are very crispy and crunchy. Next step is to add all the spices. Add teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon chaat masala powder, salt as per your taste and little garam masala powder. After adding all the spices, nicely toss so that all the spices gets coated with the pasta. Pasta KurKure is ready to serve. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.